right, Bear Table Train, main track number 3, westbound. We're about milepost 74 here. We're in Verdemont, San Bernardino. Nice little lash up there. At first I thought it was a small power move, then I saw the utility spine cars behind it. Didn't have any well wagons. All right, probably going to Hobart or San Bernardino. Hope you like that. Please subscribe to our channel. It's the sweetest thing you can do. If you want to go a step further, hit that join button, become a member, and get your shout out. We also have super thanks and Patreon. We love you guys. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more and we're going to catch you on the next ones. Take care and have a great week. Cajon Pass, Railroad fans, contributor shout outs. We want to thank all those contributors that keep us going strong. You know who you are. John Powell, Gert Bota, Danny Turner, Silence 7, Nancy Hodges, Large Gary, Tom Riccardi, Eddie LeVar, Michael Fox, Richard Eberly, Jay Geist, John Prang, Lyle Larson, Illinois Man, John Hansen, Sam Sanderson, Preet Buzz Aldrin, One Adventure 2, Roger Snare, and Jennifer Martin. Thanks for help keeping us going strong. We love you guys, and we're going to catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and watch a couple more.